Hello everyone and welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all this price volatility? Are you wondering what prices will be next? Well, look no further. You're definitely in the right place. I'm here to solve these problems for you by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's tutorial, we will be analyzing Litecoin. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Litecoin Bitcoin relationship today and their values and why it's recently been outperforming Bitcoin. I'm going to touch upon the fib retracements, a couple of the notches we discussed before, the ascending parallel channel, how it's playing a role again. We'll touch upon the MACD and RSI for just a sec as well, and then some simple moving averages, and I want to touch upon the trade room for just a sec as well. So please be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to be giving you my next targets, where I think we're going to be going next, where I think we'll be settling at, and where we're going to be going in the next several weeks, okay? So before we get into the video, please be sure to smash the like button because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content, and it makes a huge difference to me. Also, I'm trying to improve my videos all the time, and I want to give you the best content I can. So please let me know what you like about my content in the comments below, and I will be sure to do more of it, okay? Now, let's get into today's lesson. First of all, in some of the comments in the videos, I touched upon it, and certainly in my trade room as well. We talked. I've been telling you guys repeatedly how Litecoin was undervalued compared to Bitcoin, and it was getting ready. And I said that that would change. That relationship was going to change. So it wouldn't stay that way. So here we go. Give you an idea. This is probably around the time when I was started to talk about it, right? See here around the end of March here and this about. So this is the Litecoin versus Bitcoin relationship. And you can see right here how we started flattening out. And then, of course, we bottomed and boom, they went a nice parabolic move, as I like to say, right? So this is what I kept telling you guys. This was going to be coming. This is going to be coming. Again, guys, remember, we try to look ahead, okay? Because if people are asking me when it's up here at 300 and something, I'd much rather you knew about it when it was 200, okay? So just in mind, we want to get ahead of things, guys. That's the best opportunities. So here we saw this happening. We knew this was going to be going on. Now the relationship has changed. And if you notice the last several weeks, sure enough, Litecoin has in fact outperformed Bitcoin. And we do believe that's going to continue. Okay, so that means higher prices are coming, just so you get an idea. Now, we're getting a nice little bounce while we're talking too, but we're going to touch upon that in a minute. Now, so the 20 standard moving average, 20-day standard simple moving average, I should say. Notice here how it's crossed the 50, 100, and 200, right? The 200 here, the 100, and the 50. So we've crossed over here. And now we've got a 50 that's moving up as well. Just like anything else, we talk about the moving averages. You can see what's happening now. So we've crossed them all. Now we've basically gone into an uptrend. When I say an uptrend, that means that Litecoin is in an uptrend compared to Bitcoin. It's going to continue to outperform it for a bit of time. So that's what we're looking for here. That's the message here, guys. So obviously we might get ahead a little bit of ourselves as we talk about all the time. A pullback is natural, normal, and honestly, it's healthy overall for the longer term of the market. So, I always tell you guys, it's not surprising, right? We know that Litecoin and a lot of these altcoins are very volatile, so you can't be surprised at these pullbacks, okay? So again, guys, this 20 simple moving average got a little ahead of itself. We'll want to see it catch up a little bit, and then we're going to want to see these averages start turning up as well. So we believe that we're probably going to go into an uptrend while we really have started with Litecoin versus Bitcoin. I think we're going to continue to see stronger performance, okay? So that kind of gives you an idea what's on the horizon, right? Now let's get into, I don't know why these messages come up, but anyway, the ascending parallel channel is very interesting because if you have been with me for a while, guys, you know I've drawn this a while back, and I've shown you this before. We've been talking about this for a while, since January. So here we are, and I just continue to draw and extend this out for you because I want to show you how the parallel ascending channel continues to play an important role here, okay? So notice here, first of all, we see this nice tightening up here, right? And then the parabolic move, right? But notice how we came down, we spiked right at the bottom of the channel again. So I talked before about how we got out of the channel, but here we are staying in the channel, even with this big pullback, right? So that's a really, really good thing to see as well. So the simple moving average on this right now, we've got our 246 on the 20, and you notice how we've stayed above that. We got a nice nice holding the base right now. I should say it is basing as we're talking, because right now we literally got a nice move out of the thing. We were at 240, yeah, 240 really, and then we just got a nice $14 move in the last couple of hours, guys. So most importantly, guys, with this Fibonacci retracements, is looking really good here, guys. 251 is the 0.5 fib. Notice how we smashed right back through that, and I told you guys with the last video that these were the two fibs to focus on and pay attention to for pullbacks. 271 was a 0.386. The 0.5, 251.68. So now we went and touched this 20. We're back over this fib, which is a great sign, and we're going to be looking to see some more flattening here and maybe some sort of a consolidation to be able to go up, right? But I just want to give you an idea. You see the simple moving averages as well. We'll go over that with another chart, but just to give you an idea, that gives you a clue about what's going on here. Here's the MACD, obviously selling off, which is what we expected. But interestingly enough, guys, the RSI is still above 50, 53.7. That's a great sign, guys. So we want to consolidate with some nice strength. And we stayed above the top spike that was set back in February. We've stayed above that. We spiked down, yes, but the body is clearly holding above that. Okay, these are also fib retracements. I like the accuracy of the ones, so I just wanted to point out the again this to you. And here on a shorter time frame, I just simply want to show you this one more time, guys. See here, we continue to have these consolidations and then parabolic moves. So here we just, the same thing, history repeats itself. Nice consolidation, parabolic move. So what we're probably looking for in the next several weeks, guys, we're probably going to be looking for some sort of a pattern to develop. We're probably getting the top and the bottom right now set, just like here and here and here and here. So we're looking for this pattern to continue developing. And in the several weeks, we're going to see how it plays out, right? I mean, that's the name of the game, guys. Remember, each day is a chapter toward a story, and this is why we watch, right? So just to give you an idea, I think that's about all I wanted to cover for you today, guys. I do want to touch one more time, actually. Trade room, guys, we got 10 days left. I really appreciate you guys' support. A lot of people have joined, jumped in. I really appreciate the help and the support. You're really just giving me an opportunity to make you guys money. But with the 10 days left, it's a 2-for-1 special in case anybody doesn't know. $20 a month it costs you. We give multiple trade signals. We give you supports, resistances, tell you where to buy, where to sell, all that good stuff. So if you want to get a chance, 10 days left, 2-for-1. You pay for April, you get May for free, okay? It'll be ending in 10 days. Try to get yourself in there. The link is always in the description, guys. So feel free to take advantage of that. Also, take advantage of the community tabs, guys. I'm usually posting there periodically as well. I will also be posting some comments periodically from the trade room to give some of the newer folks an idea of what it is that we're doing there. I will post them as well. So make sure you get a look at those, guys, and read the comments. Some people don't read the comments. I can tell by the questions. Read the comments, guys. There's little gems in there I throw in there periodically, tell you what's going on. So look out for that, because remember, guys, the channel's for you, okay? So with that in mind, guys, I want to turn this part of the video over to you, and I want to ask you, what's the most important or valuable thing that you've learned today from the lesson? Please let me know in the comments below. I certainly would appreciate that. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, the more subscribers that we get, the better and more content I can continue making. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, please be sure and watch this next video.